best laser printer for sublimation. Another day, another video for you. We are bringing you one more refreshed video of some of the best laser printers for sublimation printing. If you have been wondering about where to find the best laser printer for sublimation, then this video has got you covered. It will help you find out some of the most useful printers. We have managed to gather data on some of the high-quality printers for sublimation. A lot of you guys are wondering which would be the best laser printer for sublimation, which is why this video was made. The best solution to get amazing results of prints is to own a laser sublimation printer. Getting your own sublimation printer and saving yourself from the efforts, wastage of time, and money is a smart thought. These latest laser printers on the market can easily print on mugs, fabrics, paper sheets, etc. All you have to do is keep watching this video from start to the end and analyze every single laser printer to check which would be your ideal decision. Before starting today's video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and remember to give us a like after watching the video. You can also share your thoughts in the comment section at the end. So let's see which printers are best for sublimation printing. List of best laser printer for sublimation. You can see some of my top recommendations here that might help you in choosing the best product. 1. MFCL 5800dw. Best overall. The Laser MFCL 5800dw is a monochrome printer by Brother that is considered to be one of the best laser printers for sublimation. It is a printer that can handle sublimation tasks for small projects of your organization. You would be amazed with its working capacity with multiple functions that can allow it to hold a number of sheets in its tray and allow it to print multiple styles of papers quickly and efficiently. The MFCL 5800dw is a printer for sublimation that makes proficient reports, printouts, tables, documents, and other essential records with pinpoint accuracy and precision. This Brother Business Laser AIO is a multi-useful faxing, printing, copying, and filtering machine so you can, without much of a stretch, print as well as do other multitasks without wasting time. The 3-inch shading touch screen permits you to make up to 48 interesting, easy ways for regularly utilized storage. It has a duplex printing capacity that allows you to save cash by imprinting on both sides of the paper. It has printing and scanning capacity from most cell phones and tablets by means of Ethernet and remote connection points. With a 70-page capacity for simple prints, you can undoubtedly scan and copy or print your documents with this printer. It is because it can deal with colorful or unique 25 paper plate limit and 50 sheets plate for multipurpose. Users can use cloud printing services through like Dropbox, Google Drive, Evernote, and others using the touch system. For the total capacity of the tray, you have 1,340 sheets overall to hold in the tray for printing. The bit of a problem is that it is not auto-duplex, which means you have to deal with prints manually. The benefit of getting this one is that the printing speed is good and it delivers some of the most high-quality print results. You also get the benefit of an extended paper tray capacity, which is very much cost-saving. A single problem for few printer users might be that the duplex printing is not automatic in this model. 2. Lexmark C2325dw laser printer. Best cheap printer. When you want to print some colorful designs and textures for sublimation on your sheets, paper, or any such thing, consider going for the Lexmark color printer. The reason to choose this printer is that it is a cost-friendly option that you have with single functionality suitable for any small office for printing different designs. You will also love all of its decent features too. The Lexmark C2325dw is a printer choice for sublimation in a medium-sized workplace. The input paper limit for this printer is around 251 sheets, having 2 drawers. You will be able to store 250 pages in one single tray, and the other tray only holds single paper or sheet in it. It creates 12-page Word documents easily with a speed of 23.9 ppm. While printing, it does as such at a fair working capacity and possesses a shockingly little impression around your work area. It has a printing capacity for about month-to-month 60,000 pages cycle. This means you can print a volume of 5,000 pages each month with this printer with a speed of 25 ppm from Lexmark. It is compatible with Windows 10 Professional and can be used using Ethernet easily. But there is a drawback. This printer isn't appropriate for printing workload where the organizations expect more than a couple of hundred pages each month. Along these lines, its printout costs are fundamentally higher than those of the printers in a similar class. Most of the clients are happy if they work less using this printer, while some are having a hard time with this one. It can be used with multiple working environments as it is a simple and easy to handle printer. You get a fast and responsive printing speed and a high-capacity sheet holding limit in the tray. The problem, however, is that the printing cost can get expensive and you may not find any wireless connection support for making out prints. 3. Brother HL L23 Fast Laser Printing. The next laser printer that I recommend for sublimation is the Brother HL L23 laser printer. The reason to choose this is that it is quick and reliable, and it's the best choice for the home office market. It's an extraordinary choice for printing organizations to print records like multi-page archives, worksheets, bills, and more in view of its high print, most extreme speed of 27 ppm, and computerized duplex printing. The HL L23 is a great decision for little office or workspace clients on a limited financial plan. Auto duplex printing feature in this one works with the client to help in conditions for low use of paper. On account of its well-disposed size, it's ideally suited for organizations with a restricted work area, and it produces fresh, proficient, highly contrasting pages at a nature of up to 2,400 pixels for each inch. You can use it for sublimation when you want to print high-quality sheets and papers for any texture or design. This 2,600-page replacement laser toner decreases the expense per page for every user. It also has a toner save mode and N-in-1 printing, which combines a few pages onto a solitary piece of paper to save toner and paper use. It is an excellent sublimation printer with great speed and multi-connectivity options for printing. You will be happy to work with it because it supports auto duplex printing that results in great output printing text as well as graphics quality. 4. HP LaserJet M209dwe. Optional. The last option to recommend you here is the HP LaserJet M209dwe printer with laser printing capability. The HP M209dwe monochrome laser printer is a generally direct machine. While succeeding sheets print all the more rapidly, the printer is still unfortunately sluggish, which is why it is the last option to list here. But there are still some good things about this one. The dark page yield and body cover of this printer are exceptionally noteworthy. It's a lovely decision for small or homework environments that essentially require producing high contrast papers. It prints a great deal for low-cost prints on each page. Because of its high paper yield and modest toner cartridge cost, it has an exceptionally minimal expense for each print. You have to know that this printer additionally utilizes veritable HP ink cartridges. The assistance of HP Instant Ink has 6 membership plans when utilized with an HP Plus Empowered printer. You might change the whole cartridge rather than the singular drum unit parts a change is required. The company will offer an Instant Ink half-year free trial that will naturally send you toner cartridges when your printer detects that they are falling short on ink. This printer lacks in some of the points, but overall it is a good choice if you can't decide on any other option. Low print costs with this printer save you huge in the long term. There are also multiple connectivity options that can allow fast and effective printing within minutes. It is suitable for small business because the speed is not as good as most complex printers, and you won't find a scanner in this one too.